soundboard. I'm here with 3 important people in my life.
Really? 4.
3.
Really? Just on the back like this? No, it was,
I'm here with 3 important people.
Really?
You.
Hey.
Me. And my doggy.
What? I thought you meant me.
Oh, hell no. I'm with my doggy. So you good?
You're lying.
Shut up. Okay, cool. I'm going somewhere
I
else.
had my phone outside and I had to water the plant.
So, I am super bored.
Yeah.
What time is it? I just started recording because I was like bored. So yeah.
6:21. It's not. Tell me what time is it?
It's 4:39. So it's 4:39 p.m.
In Florida.
In Florida.
In Florida.
Is that not windy? Because like yesterday was super windy
Sorry.
and not windy no more.
Yeah.
See, some people are already decorating for Christmas. Well, some people, not a lot. Some people. Look, over there, Maggie. Like,
Even though yesterday was
let's go
Thanksgiving.
closer. Yeah. Okay. So, I'm super bored. There's nothing to do over here. Look, let's go. And we just finished playing Xbox.
Oh, I'm good.
So we just started playing Xbox. We just finished playing Xbox.
Yeah. Where are we going?
See that? I want to show you something. It's pretty. It's pretty. Can you see it? Can they see it?
Put it down. There we go.
So this thingy is pretty. Pretty.
You tried too hard. You're wearing your Christmas hat. So
I am.
don't judge.
I'm in the Christmas
And look, you
spirit.
just peed on the tree.
I'm in the Christmas spirit right now.
Christmas
I'm wearing a like red long
jacket.
hoodie.
Yeah. Sweater.
It's not like a jacket, but like it's like a sweater.
Kind of.
And then now as the wind comes. Say hi. Want to say hi? No.
Say bye.
The only reason why she said that is because she's not dressed up.
She's like, she doesn't like.
Hey.
That's just weird.
How you ruined it?
How? You tried to burp.
Yeah.
Look, he's just standing there like, what's happening? That was an inhale, not an exhale. Lucky's her dog's name.
Yeah.
I should know that. I'm trying way too hard to burp.
I know. I could burp easily without even drinking nothing.
Go. Still not a burp.
Okay,
Yeah, no.
so instead of a vlog, it's a burping contest. Burping contest.
No.
Who wants to go first?
Not me.
That was not
a burp. No. That was not a burp.
Your turn.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. It was like good.
Who can make the loudest burp? Me or her?
Burp. No, burp.
Oh God! I have a squeaky voice.
Pikachu.
Pikachu. Pikachu. I don't know why I said that with my eyes closed.
I don't know either.
Pikachu. Plants. Show them the plant. I show them.
Oh God. Jaws.
Oh, Jaws.
Not that cold.
Not like all.
Barely.
Ooh. That was I mean like the weather.
Oh,
Not that cold. It's windy though. Oh yeah. Wait.
Yep, we know.
Well,
You just noticed that, baby?
That's the end of this episode. Bye.